My name is Rand Brenner. I'm CEO of Licensing Consulting Group, and I am representing the BrushSpa team, which is Wendy, Andy, and Barry, who are the inventors and owners of BrushSpa. With that, let's just kick the conversation off. Why BrushSpa? Why did you create it? And what does it do? What are some of the benefits of it?
I'm Barry Rayburn, and I work in healthcare, and I am the inventor of BrushSpa. It came out of the need of having a clean toothbrush. I tried many times to store my toothbrush clean, but every time I tried to store it clean, it would grow mildew. And this is a BrushSpa, and it's pretty simple. The way it works is you would take your dirty toothbrush, and you would hang it right here and drop it in. Once it's in place, you're going to push this button. You're going to go to work, you're going to go to bed, and BrushSpa is going to take over. And what it's doing right now is it's drawing air through a HEPA filter, and it's drying your toothbrush because bacteria struggle to live on a dry surface. Once the toothbrush is dry, BrushSpa is then going to spray down the toothbrush with atomized hydrogen peroxide. It's going to go through several spraying and drying cycles, and then it'll store the toothbrush clean once it's complete. And the cycle takes about 35 minutes. The BrushSpa will turn itself off by itself. It's totally autonomous, and it'll go in sleep mode, conserving your battery. What you hang your toothbrush from and what your toothbrush is in is both dishwasher friendly. So if you ever think they're soiled, you can keep them spotless clean.